Nagkataon lang ba na bago magsona, sabay-sabay ang impeachment, plunder, rally at Senate realignment? Whether intentional or not, this can be a possible strategy. Kapag sunod-sunod ang malalaking political events, hindi na issue by issue ang laban. It becomes a narrative war. Sino ang mukhang may control? Sino ang mukhang under attack? Sino ang mukhang may momentum? Sino ang napipilitang mag-defend? Ito pa, kung accountability talaga ang goal, bakit ang timing ng impeachment ay parang campaign material bago magsona? Simple, because politically, Sara Duterte may be the perfect offering. Hindi ibig sabihin nito ay walang kaso. Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi dapat sagutin ang mga aligasyon. Pero sa politika, hindi lang ebidensya ang mahalaga. The timing, the narrative, the optics, they all matter. At kung ang trial ni VP Sara ay sisimulan today, July 6, tapos ang sona ni Marcos ay July 27, then Marcos gets 3 weeks of political theater before the biggest speech of his year. 3 weeks na ang headline ay Sara. 3 weeks na ang tanong ay confidential funds. 3 weeks na ang focus ay Duterte. At pagdating ng sona, Marcos can walk in and say, tingnan nyo, may accountability sa ilalim ng administrasyon ko. In other words, Sara becomes the silver platter, a political offering, a pre-Sona trophy, a way to make Marcos look like the president who is fighting corruption even while his own administration is facing questions about corruption and stability and political survival. That can be a strategy. Shift the anger, move the spotlight, make the enemy carry the weight of the national frustration. Pero ang tanong, kung accountability talaga ito, bakit parang selective? Kung justice talaga ito, bakit mabilis sa kalaban pero ang bagal sa kakampi? Kung corruption ang issue, bakit hindi lahat ng kampo binubuksan ang resibo? Because maybe this is not just about removing Sara. Maybe this is about giving Marcos a villain before Sona. Para kapag humarap siya sa bayan, hindi siya ang mukhang under fire. Siya ang mukhang may hawak ng apoy. But the danger for Marcos is this. If the people see the timing as political, not principled, then this strategy can backfire. Instead of looking like accountability, it can look like desperation.